Hey guys, Frank is here, and welcome back to an episode where I do parkour. So in this episode, I'll do a parkour, and I try to find a raid. Okay, I'll go to blue because it's my favorite color. I tried to find a raid in boss PvP, but I couldn't because I couldn't find any raids, and I couldn't find anybody to PvP. So I did not upload that. And sorry. And I have a 5-day off from school, so I'll be uploading for all 5 days. I'm okay. Now we're in here. Let me set my audio. Oh no, wait. Am I supposed to go there? Yep, okay, I am supposed to go there. So let's get in here. Oh, ladder. Okay. Go here. Oh wait, no. Go here and go to the right and go up. Yep. You're here. And what is happening on Earth? I think I'm supposed to go right and left. And go left and go. Oh no. What? Okay, I'm supposed to go left, right, and go up. And go left, right, left, left. Okay, stop. Okay, and right, and stop by here, and go left, and right, and you're here. Fine. Oh no, I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad. Oh my god, I just made it. Okay, that was easy. Woohoo! What the? Okay, that was weird. Okay, we made it though. I'm not gonna end here, I think. I'm gonna be doing more. Let's go there. It looks like a maze. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay. I'll go through. That's it. Okay, I think I can make it somehow. Go left there. Okay. No, is there a way there? I hate mazes because it's really annoying. I'll try to find a raid though, because I like to raid people's stuff. I hate this maze. I'm so confused right now. Okay, I'm quitting this. It's really annoying. And I don't even want to get in there. I guess we'll end off this video with Castle of Salt. It's my favorite one. Canon rating. Oh, what? Okay, this is hard. Why did they block off like this? Guess I'm so confused. Oh, this is the way to do it. You're dead. Oh, what? Oh, what? Wait. Okay, I'm getting used to this. Okay. So you want to do it like this, bro? Okay, this is like an actual... I'm lagging really badly. My computer is just so bad. Okay, oh my god. Okay, pressed on the wrong button. The red teams can't even do anything. Seriously. Okay, you're dead. Come here. And go, but oh, what? Okay, Team Blue lost. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm gonna go arch. I'm not gonna enchant because it's very uncomfortable for me. Wait, how did he get an enchanted dinosaur right away? What? Well, how did he... Dude, I don't know if anything. And he just got dinosaur. Doesn't even make sense. I'm an archer. Come at me. Wow. 2 hits and I'm dead. I just got 2 hits and I was dead. Come out here. What? 1 hit and I died. Oh, just look at that. Okay, I'm gonna shoot from here. Yo, this. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, what? Rexo is OP. Okay, now he's dead. Finally, he's dead. That once. I'm gonna arch here. Wow, there's the enchantment table. Doesn't even make sense at all. Okay, I'm not gonna go near Betzo because he's gonna kill me anyways. Okay, I'm gonna go arch. I'm gonna go kill with bows. Okay, you're an archer. Oh man. They just found me. Okay. Let me go attack. Yes, the bow again. Oh my god. Wow. I hate the Retso guy. This guy is the worst guy ever. Okay. Rexo, not Retso, okay, I get it. Anyways, that's the worst guy. And I'm lagging badly. What? I hate my computers. They're really bad. Okay, wait, no one's there. Kill this guy right here. Or this guy. Yep, fall. Make him fall into the lava. Oh my god, who just sent me right off there? Wow, that guy's lagging really bad. Yes, that guy's lagging really bad. Okay, you go die. Okay, I'm gonna arch. Okay. Fine, iron sword. Okay, that guy killed me from behind. Or, yeah, he killed from behind. Oh, a hero is playing. That's why he has an OP diamond sword. That's why I get that. I understand. Because you donated. And then you got. Okay, we're gonna go in groups. Okay, someone's at the top. They're falling into the lava. It's gonna be really bad. Okay, NYHC. We're going down. NHYC, yep, NHYC. We're going down. One bit of you. Die. 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 Die, please. Die. Yep, we killed him. You did not even get one heart off. Okay. Coming down right there. Yep, we got him with a bow. I think that guy's coming. Okay, wait, he's coming up. Oh, he's dead anyways. I like being an archer. What is that guy is throwing enchanted bottle while he go? I'm gonna finish this round in a second. So no one's here. I think blue team is gonna die. There's no reason for me to arch. Wait, there is a reason for me to arch. Okay, fall down. Chubby, this guy needs to die. Oh no. Who just made me fall? Okay, I'm gonna go charge. Yup, I'm dead. So I guess I'll end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hit that like button. And if you want, no, you must subscribe. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.